I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to share some important multiple choice questions with their answers from genetics. I hope these questions may be very helpful to you for the various competitive examination purposes. Now here, the first question is, normally a gamete contains A. Two alleles of a gene, B. One allele of a gene, C. Three alleles of a gene, D. All alleles of a gene. Here, the correct answer is one allele of a gene. Normally, a gamete contains one allele of a gene. The next question is, the alternate form of a gene is called alternate type, recessive character, allele, or dominant character. The correct answer is the alleles. Means the alternate form of a gene is called allele. The next question is, the phenotypic and genotypic ratios are same in a back cross, a test cross, monohybrid cross, or none of these. Here, the right answer is a test cross. The phenotypic and genotypic ratios are same in a test cross. The fourth question is, a complete set of chromosomes inherited as a unit from one parent to its offspring is called genome, genotype, nucleoid, or triploid. Here, the correct answer is the genome. The complete set of chromosomes inherited as a unit from one parent to its offspring is called genome. The next question is, the complete dominance is found in Pisum sativum, Mirabilis jalapa, Lathyrus odoratus, or Oinothera lamarckiana. Here, the right answer is Mirabilis jalapa. As you know, Mirabilis jalapa is commonly known as the 4 o'clock plant, and it shows the incomplete dominance, which is the exception of the Mendelian principle. Now, the next question is, pseudoallele is allele with similar functions, allele with similar structure, allele with similar function and different structure, or alleles with similar function and structure. Here, the right answer is alleles with similar function and different structure. Thus, we can say the pseudo alleles is alleles with similar function and different structure. Now, the next question is, the genotypic ratio in a monohybrid cross is 3:1, 1:2:1, 2:1:1, or 9:3:3:1. Here, the right answer is 1:2:1. Thus, we can say the genotypic ratio in a monohybrid cross is 1:2:1. Now, the next question is, crossing of F1 individual to either of the parents is known as test cross, back cross, F1 cross, or none of the above. Here, the correct answer is back cross. Means back cross is the crossing of F1 individual to either of the male or female parent. Now, the next question is, the phenomena of incomplete dominance was observed by De Vries, Chesmark, Correns, or none of the above. The right answer is Correns. Correns introduced the phenomena incomplete dominance for first time. Now, the next question is, the phenomena in which F1 hybrid is intermediate between the two parents? Codominance, dominance, blending inheritance, or incomplete dominance? Here, the correct answer is incomplete dominance. Now, the 11th question is a cross between a recessive parent and F1 hybrid gives the ratio 3:1, 1:1, 2:1, or 4:1. Here, the correct answer is 1:1. Means a cross between a recessive parent and F1 hybrid gives the ratio of 1:1. Now, the next question is, how many types of different gametes would be produced in a heterozygous plant with the genotype capital A, capital B, capital C, and small c? 2, 4, 6, or 9? Here, the correct answer is 4. Here, 4 type of gametes will be formed. The genotype capital A, capital B, and capital C, small c. The next question is, lethal genes are always dominant homozygous, recessive, dominant heterozygous, or codominant? Here, the correct answer is the dominant homozygous. The lethal genes are always dominant homozygous in nature. Now, the 14th question is, the interaction between two genes which are non-allelic in nature are known as supplementary genes, complementary genes, hypostatic genes, or epistatic genes. Here, the correct answer is hypostatic genes. Means the interaction between two genes which are non-allelic in nature are known as hypostatic genes. Now, the next one is, in which of the following phenomena two or more than two genes can affect the expression of each other? Crossing over, pairing, linkage, or gene interaction? The correct answer is gene interaction. Gene interaction means two or more than two genes can affect the expression of each other. The next question is, which is the example of supplementary gene interactions? A. Cucurbita pepo, B. Skin color of mice, C. Comb shape of poults, and D. All of the above. Here, the correct answer is skin color of mice. The skin color of mice is the example of supplementary gene interaction. Now, the next question is, Lathyrus odoratus is the best example of which of the following? A. Supplementary genes, B. Complementary genes, C. Lethal genes, and D. Codominant gene. Here, the right answer is complementary genes. Lathyrus odoratus is the best example of complementary gene interactions. Now, the next question is, the dominant epistasis is shown by A. Antirrhinum majus, B. Lathyrus odoratus, C. Mirabilis jalepa, D. Cucurbita pepo. Here, the correct answer is Cucurbita pepo. The dominant epistasis is shown by the Cucurbita pepo. Now, the phenomena in which an allele of one gene suppresses the effect of an allele of another gene is called A. Dominance, B. Inactivation, C. Epistasis, D. Suppression. Here, the right answer is epistasis. The next question is, when the effect of one gene is suppressed by the effect of a non-allelic gene, it is known as A. Pseudodominance, B. Hypostasis, C. Epistasis, and D. Incomplete dominance. Here, the right answer is epistasis. The next question is 9:7 ratio in the F2 generation represents A. Incomplete dominance, B. Codominance, C. Epistasis, D. Complementary gene interaction. Here, the right answer is epistasis. The next question is, which of the following is an example of multiple phenotypes? A. Epistasis, B. Pleiotropy, C. Polygenic inheritance, and D. Mutation. Here, the best example of the multiple phenotype is pleiotropy. So, pleiotropy is the correct answer. The next question is, which of the following unit of genetic material produces a phenotypic effect on mutation? A. Muton, B. Gene, C. Recon, D. Nucleic acid. Here, the right answer is the muton. Muton is the basic or smallest unit of genetic material which produce a phenotypic effect on the mutation. Now, the next question is, two genes have the same expression of the character in which of the following phenomena? The A is pleiotropy, B penetrance, C phenocopy, and D expressivity. Now here the right answer is pleiotropy. The next question is, kappa particles represent A. Nuclear inheritance, B. Cytoplasmic inheritance, C. Mutation, and D. All of the above. Here the correct answer is cytoplasmic inheritance. Kappa particles represent the cytoplasmic inheritance. The next question is, in maize, the cytoplasmic male sterility is a result of interaction between A. Mitochondrial and nuclear genes, B. Chloroplast and mitochondrial genes, C. Cytoplasmic factors and male sterile genes, and D. Chloroplast and nuclear genes. And here the right answer is cytoplasmic factors and male sterile genes. The next question is, extranuclear inheritance is regulated by the presence of some genes which are present in A. Ribosomes and chloroplast, B. Lysosomes and ribosomes, C. Mitochondria and chloroplast, D. Endoplasmic reticulum and mitochondria. Here the right answer is mitochondria and chloroplast. The extra inheritance or extranuclear inheritance is regulated by the presence of some genes, and these genes are always present on the mitochondria as well as on the chloroplast. Now, the next question is, genes for cytoplasmic male sterility in plants are generally located in A. Mitochondria, B. Cytoplasm, C. Chloroplast, and D. Nucleus. Here, the correct answer is mitochondria. In mitochondria, the genes for cytoplasmic male sterility are present in case of plants. The next question is, in which type of mutation the cause of mutation is not known? A. Suppressor mutation, B. Spontaneous mutation, C. Nonsense mutation, D. Missense mutation. Here the correct answer is spontaneous mutation. In case of spontaneous mutation, the cause of mutation is not found or unknown. Now the next question is, episomes is A. Plasmid, B. Lysosomes, C. Ribosomes, D. None of the above. Here the correct answer is plasmids. The next question is, errors or damage in DNA cause A. DNA repair, B. Mutation, C. Transcription, D. All of the above. Here the right answer is mutation. the damage or error in DNA cause mutation. The next question is, the crossing over is more when A. Genes are located in different cells, B. Linked genes are close to each other, C. Linked genes are located apart from each other, and D. None of these. Here the correct answer is linked genes are located apart from each other. The next question is, alleles of different genes that are on the same chromosomes can occasionally be separated by A. Crossing over, B. Centromere, C. Epistasis, D. Linkage. Here the correct answer is crossing over. The next question is, repulsion and coupling are associated with A. Mutation, B. Chiasmata, C. Linkage, D. Crossing over. Here the correct answer is linkage. Repulsion and coupling, both terms are associated with linkage. The next question is, who discovered the linkage? A. Blaxley, B. Sutton, C. Muller, and D. Bateson. Here the correct answer is Bateson. Bateson discovered the term linkage. The next question is, in diploid organism, crossing over is responsible for A. Segregation of alleles, B. Dominance of genes, C. Linkage between genes, D. None of the above. Here the right answer is segregation of alleles. In diploid organisms, crossing over is responsible for the segregation of alleles. The next question is, trisomy is represented by which of the following chromosome numbers? A. 2n-1, B. 2n plus 2, C. 2n minus 2, D. 2n plus 1. Here the correct answer is 2n plus 1. Trisomy is always represented by 2n plus 1. The next question is, which of the following plant made Hugo de Berry famous? A. Antirrhinum majus, B. Lathyrus odoratus, C. Oenothera lamarckiana, D. None of the above. Here the correct answer is Oenothera lamarckiana. Hugo de Berry have conducted his experiment on the plants Oenothera lamarckiana. The next question is, Dhatura is the best example of euploidy, monosomy, trisomy, or all of the above. Here the correct answer is trisomy. Trisomy 2n plus 1 is best represented by Dhatura. Dhatura is a member of Solanaceae family. Now the next question is, the pattern of inheritance can be traced in a family by which of the following methods? A. Pedigree analysis, B. Chromosome analysis, C. Nuclear analysis, D. Cytoplasmic analysis. Here the correct answer is pedigree analysis. The pattern of inheritance can be studied or traced in a family by pedigree analysis. The next question is, which of the following is not an example of aneuploidy? A. Phenylketonuria, B. Turner's syndrome, C. Down's syndrome, D. Klinefelter syndromes. Here the correct answer is phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria is not an example of aneuploidy. Rest all three syndromes, Turner syndromes, Down's syndromes, and Klinefelter syndromes, are the examples of aneuploidy. The next question is, Mendel did not recognize linkage in his experiments because A. He studied characters located on different chromosomes, B. He did not know about inheritance, C. He studied only pea plants, D. All of the above. Here the best answer is he studied characters located on different chromosomes. The last question is, which of the following pairs is correctly matched? A. Morgan discovered the process of linkage, B. Linus isolated DNA for the first time. C. Francis Crick's discovered transformation. D. All of the above. Here the correct matched pair is Morgan discovered the process of linkage. Now this is all about today's session. Don't forget to see the next upcoming lecture series based on multiple choice questions from different branches of life sciences. And thanks for watching this lecture.